In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Microsoft Teams Live Event. While the dedicated Live Event feature is being phased out, its functionality has evolved into the more robust Town Hall feature, which offers enhanced capabilities for large-scale broadcasts. This guide will walk you through scheduling such an event, ensuring you can effectively communicate with a wide audience. To begin, navigate to the Calendar section within Microsoft Teams. You'll find this typically on the left-hand navigation pane. Clicking the calendar icon opens your scheduling interface, where you can view existing meetings and plan new ones. This is your central hub for managing all team engagements and the first crucial step towards setting up any event, including a large-scale broadcast. Once in calendar view, look for the New Meeting button, usually in the top right corner. Adjacent to this, you'll notice a small arrow pointing downwards. It's vital to click this arrow. This action reveals a drop-down menu presenting various options for different event types, allowing you to select the appropriate format for your broadcast. From the drop-down menu, select View Templates. Choosing to view templates is an efficient way to start building your event, as it provides pre-configured setups for specific types of gatherings. These templates streamline the event creation process by offering tailored options and settings that align with different communication needs, ensuring you pick the right foundation for your event. Now in the Templates section, scroll down through the available options. Look specifically for the Live Event template. Once you locate it, click the Schedule button associated with it. This action initiates the scheduling process for what was traditionally known as a live event, guiding you to the next stage of setting up your broadcast. Pay close attention to this step. Upon clicking Schedule, you'll likely see a notification indicating Live Event is retiring. Don't worry, this is expected. Microsoft Teams is transitioning its large-scale broadcast capabilities to Town Hall. Therefore, instead of proceeding with the retiring live event, you will be directed or prompted to use the Town Hall feature instead. Town Halls are the new enhanced way to host large, structured events, offering more features and scalability. With the Town Hall template selected, you'll now be presented with a form to enter all necessary event details. This includes essential information such as the event title, the exact date and time, and a comprehensive description to inform attendees. You'll also specify presenters and any required attendees. Ensure all fields are accurately filled out, as this information is crucial for inviting participants and for the smooth running of your event. After meticulously entering all event details, it's absolutely crucial to save your progress. Look for a Save button, typically located at the bottom or top right corner of the scheduling form. Clicking Save ensures all the information you've inputted is securely stored and that your draft event is preserved. This prevents any accidental loss of your work before the event is fully ready to be published. Finally, once all details are accurate and saved, the last step is to officially publish your Town Hall event. Locate and click the Publish button. This action makes your event live and accessible to your intended audience. Publishing generates the necessary invitation links and prepares the event for distribution. It marks the completion of the scheduling process, allowing you to confidently share your event with participants.